Okay, let's expand and distribute this particular algebraic expression. What we have is 3ab multiplied by, you don't see the multiplication, but it's there, brackets 2a plus b close brackets. So anytime you have something like 3ab next to a parenthesis like that, it means multiply. So how are we going to distribute this? Well, the way we're going to distribute it is we're going to distribute the 3ab, we're going to multiply that by the first element, 2a, and then we're going to multiply 3ab by the b by itself right there. So essentially it's all of this multiplied by the 2a, and then all of this multiplied by the b. So let's go ahead and distribute this across these in the parentheses. So we start off with 3ab times 2a. Bring down the plus. Now we go 3ab times the b. 3ab times the b. That's the b there, right there. So we're distributing this by taking away the parentheses. Now let's work with these two guys. Now, numbers times numbers, a's times a's, we're going to collect like terms. So the 3 and the 2 go together. We're going to multiply those two guys there and there. So 3 times 2. And then the a and the a. Then it's a times a. Now each a is to the power of 1. So we're going to have power of 1, power of 1. And then we also got this b right over there. So we're going to multiply by the b. Notice I put the b after the a's. Why is that? Because it looks nicer. A's come before b's on the alphabet. So we tend to have the a's on the left-hand side and the b's on the right-hand side. It's still correct if you do it the other way, but this is the proper convention. Okay, let's go over to the other side. We go plus. Now we've got 3ab times b. Let's collect like terms. There's no numbers here, so it's just 3. And there's no a's over here, so it's just a. But we have a b here with a b, and each one is to the power of 1, power of 1. So b times b to the power of 1 times b to the power of 1. We'll get back to that in a second. So let's have a look here. Numbers times numbers, 3 times 2, that's going to give us 6. Times, now a times a. Now remember when we got the same base, what do we do to the powers? We add the powers when we multiply the bases. So those two powers, we're going to add them together. 1 plus 1 will give us 2. So that's going to be a to the power of 2 times b plus, let's bring this down, 3a, and b times b, same base. What do we do with the powers? We add them together because we're multiplying the b's. So that's going to be b to the power of 2. Okay, let's remove the multiplication signs here. So this is going to become 6a squared b plus 3ab squared. You don't need to use red for the exponent powers. You can use the same color if you want. So the answer is, when we remove the parentheses and we expand and distribute, 6a squared b plus 3ab squared. There you go. Hope it helps.